Yellow slime. Let's see how thick it is. Ladies and gentlemen, this is yellow slime. All you have to do is lock in. If I make a face while drinking this yellow slime, I'm giving the first 5 people $5. All right, let's go. Okay, all right. Why is it time? Reverse flash! Reverse flash! That joint nasty as a bitch! Oh! That joint tastes like reverse flash, no! That is so sour! Like I'm not even playing. Hold on, nigga. Drink it! Yeah, that's right. Reverse flash nut! Reverse flash nut! Reverse flash nut! Oh! Reverse flash nut! Reverse flash nut! Reverse flash nut! Yellow nut! Reverse flash sucks! Gang, that was slimy, sour, and nasty as a bitch!